Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the numerical one related to the switches. So let us read the example. Figure shows four electronic switches 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they have given the four electronic switches 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of the switches can block voltages of either polarity? Okay, applied between A and B. Okay, voltages of either polarity means forward voltage as well as reverse voltage. Okay, when the active device is in the off state. Active device is in the off state means what? Here in this combination we are having IGBT. This is the active device, right? Here IGBT is the active device. Yes, thyristor is the active device. Thyristor is the active device. Okay, so diode is a passive device. Okay, diode is not the active device. Are you getting the point? Okay, so when the active device is in the off state, okay, which of these switches can block the forward as well as reverse voltage? That we need to find. Okay, so and they have given the four options, right? So if you check the first, okay, if you check the first switch, right, the first switch, so here we are having the IGBT in parallel. Basically it is anti-parallel, A and B. This is the first switch we are having. Okay, so let us discuss whether the first switch is blocking the forward voltage or not, right? Forward voltage means here it is a higher voltage, here it is a lower voltage. Okay, suppose when IGBT is in the off state, okay, means it is an open circuit, definitely the IGBT will block the voltage. Okay, but what about this diode? Yes, diode is in the reverse bias mode, so diode also can block the forward voltage. Okay, means if plus here minus here, this voltage can be blocked by this switch combination. Okay, suppose the voltage is reversed, means minus here and plus here. When IGBT is in the off state, IGBT can block this voltage. Okay, but what about the diode? Yes, when the polarity is plus here minus here, the diode will be in the forward bias mode, so diode will not block the voltage, diode will turn on. Are you getting the point? Okay, so the first switch will not block the reverse voltage. Are you getting the point? Let us discuss for the second switch. Okay, we are having the second switch. Here it is the switch, and in series here we are having the diode. Yes, this is the A, this one is the B. Okay, so let us discuss first whether this switch combination can block the forward voltage, so plus here minus here. Okay, so when IGBT is in the off state, definitely this voltage can be blocked, right, because it is the open circuit. Okay, so therefore current will not flow. Okay, so this combination can block the forward voltage. Let us check for the reverse voltage, minus here plus here, right? So when here it is minus, here it is plus, yes, this diode will be in the reverse bias mode, so definitely this will block the reverse voltage as well. Okay, so the second switch blocks the forward as well as reverse voltage. Let us discuss the third switch. Okay, third switch is a SCR. As we know, when SCR is in the forward blocking mode, okay, suppose here it is plus, here it is minus, so it is like SCR is in the forward bias mode, and as it is given that active switch is in the off state, so when SCR is in the off state, okay, so it is like a forward blocking mode. So when SCR is in the forward blocking mode, whether SCR blocks the voltage? Yes, so yes, this switch can block the forward voltage. Let us check for the reverse voltage. So when this voltage will appear across the SCR, SCR will operate in the reverse blocking mode only. Okay, so whether the SCR can block this voltage? Yes, SCR blocks the reverse voltage. Okay, so this switch, that is the third switch, can block the forward as well as reverse voltage. Let us check for the fourth switch. Okay, so thyristor in parallel with a diode. Okay, so here it is a A and here it is a B. So let us check whether this switch blocks the forward voltage or not. So forward voltage means plus here minus here. Okay, so when SR is in the off state, yes, plus here minus here means diode also will be in the reverse bias mode. Okay, so this switch combination can block the forward voltage. Okay, let us check for the reverse voltage. So minus here plus here, whether this switch blocks the reverse voltage? SR will be in the reverse blocking mode, but what about the diode? Diode will be in the forward conduction mode. Okay, so forward biased, so that's why it will be in the conduction mode, so diode cannot block this forward voltage, right? So this switch only blocks the forward voltage but no reverse voltage. Okay, so what is the final answer? Second switch and the third switch. Okay, second and the third switch is the correct answer. Are you getting the point? So option C is the correct answer. This is about the numerical 1 related to the switch or the switch combination. In the next video we are going to discuss one more example related to the switch combination. Thank you.